Thank you, David. And anybody else? Okay. If not, I actually would like Professor Kamal Karlapalam to close this meeting with a word of thanks. And then later, I would also request all the guests to come to the dais, and then we'll take a picture.
So, thank you. And it's a great pleasure to see all of you, the founding members and everybody. So what I was doing in the last hour and so was writing some keywords and some phrases from the distinguished guests have spoken, and some of my own phrases, and I put them in a string. So R. Chandrasekhar, Ajay, Professor Raj Reddy, Srini Raju, Narendra Ahuja, Professor Sangal, Professor Kaul, Professor Govindrajulu, the people that we heard most and who have contributed immensely, great staff. Silicon Valley in Hyderabad. That's what I heard the first time I came here in 1999, around January, February for the interview. We want to create Silicon Valley in Hyderabad, and today we have inaugurated the entrepreneurship place wherein I hope the next billion-dollar company will come out very soon. Not just IT, we were not just IT, we were Roti, Kapada and Makan. We went to Ahmedabad, to Atira to try to get projects from them in textile industry. We have Roti, IT for agriculture. We have Makan, building sciences program and structural engineering. There are other things, health, education, and various other things that we still do, human values, humanities. Social aspects, that was another keyword that I heard when I came here. We have to do justice to the society. We have to do applications for the society. Next 5 billion people, we need to provide solutions. Then about the institute and its running, we always felt wait for the right person. We will take up the labor, we will do the work, but we'll wait for the right person to come in and take up the responsibility in the way that we want things to be done. We were run based on understanding. We tried to understand the problems, find out where the pain points are, and try to work it out. One of the things that we always heard Professor Sangal say was, do the right thing, how much ever hard it is. Take the tough road, but do the right thing. And it pained us, but it worked. Experimentation is another word, multiple strands that we hear. We work on many things. We start off many seedlings, big banyan trees will grow, but experimentation is there all the time. Velocity, you think that the institute, if you ask the students, if you ask people, they'll say that, things don't happen here. They don't happen very fast enough. But if you look at the institute, what it has achieved in the last 15 years, you'll see substantial velocity. You see its speed in the way it moved forward. Exceptional students, we were blessed. We are blessed. We are always blessed with them. They motivate us, they make us learn, they teach us. Fantastic place. First batch, rupees 10,000 per month salary. This was 2002. The Wall Street had crashed, the Silicon Valley had gone bust, and there were students we had to put them, and they were happy with working for that small salaries. And they are leaders now. Now, if you look at it, local lucrative employment and contribution. If you look at all the companies which are there, almost all the companies have IIIT people, and many of them, in each one of them, contributing left and right. Entrepreneurship, that's what it's all about. And now we are getting into that game, and in a big way. So if you look at last 15 years, and even now and further on, it's been great fun. I take one line out of here, opportunity to be in top 100 in the world. And I think that's what we are there for, and we are ready, we can take it up. So solid run ahead for the next decade or so. And these were the key phrases that I picked up from various people who have spoken and not spoken and have the sentiments. Okay. Thank you all for coming and being part of the ceremony. It's been a great pleasure having you again. Thank you.